Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn Maria's busy day at home, a story-based lesson. Target modal verbs can, should, must, and will. Let's dive in. Number 1, warm up before reading. Ask your students. What do you do at home? What do you do at home? Do you help your parents? Do you help your parents? What should children do at home? What should children do at home? Keep it simple and let them answer in short sentences. Keep it simple and let them answer in short sentences. Number 2, story time. Read the story aloud or let students take turn. Maria's busy day. Maria wakes up early. Maria wakes up early. Her mother says. Maria, you must wake up now. Maria, you must wake up now. Maria says. Okay, Mom, I will get up. Okay, Mom, I will get up. In the kitchen, Maria sees the dishes. In the kitchen, Maria sees the dishes. I can wash the dishes. I can wash the dishes. She says. Her brother is still sleeping. Maria says. You should wake up, Kuya. Later, Maria wants to play. She asked. Mom, can I play outside? Her mom says. You can play, but you must finish your homework first. You can play, but you must finish your homework first. Maria smiles and says. Okay, I will finish my homework. Maria is happy because she helps her family. Number 3, comprehension questions. Asked. Number 1, who wakes up early? Answer. Maria wakes up early. Number 2, what must Maria do? Answer. She must wake up early. Number 3, what can Maria do in the kitchen? Answer. She can wash the dishes. Number 4, what should her brother do? Answer. He should wake up. Number 5, can Maria play outside? Answer. Yes, she can play. after she finishes her homework. Yes, she can play after she finishes her homework. Encourage full answers. Maria must wake up early. Number 4, find the modal verbs. Find the modal verb. Ask students to find modal verbs in the story. Ask students to find modal verbs in the story. Expected answers. Expected answers. Must. Must. Will. Will. Can. Can. Should. Should. Number 5, practice activity. Practice activity. A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Maria blank wake up early. Answer, Maria must wake up early. Number 2, she blank wash the dishes. Answer, she can wash the dishes. Number 3, she blank finish her homework. Answer, she must finish her homework. Number 4, her brother blank wake up. Answer, her brother should wake up. B, act it out. Assign roles. Maria, Maria. Mom, mom. Brother, brother. Let students act and say lines like, let students act and say lines like, you must wake up. You must wake up. Can I play outside? Can I play outside? I will help. I will help. This builds confidence and speaking skills. This builds confidence and speaking skills. Number 6, creative activity. Ask students. Ask students. What do you do at home? What do you do at home? They write 3 to 5 sentences. They write 3 to 5 sentences. Example. Example. I can clean my room. I can clean my room. I should help my parents. I should help my parents. I must do my homework. I must do my homework. Number 7, simple quiz. Simple quiz. Choose the correct word. Choose the correct word. Number 1, I blank help my mother. A, can. B, must. C, both. Answer is letter B. I must help my mother. Number 2, you blank sleep early. A, should. B, can. C, will. Answer is letter A. You should sleep early. Number 3, I blank finish my homework tonight. A, will. B, can. C, should. Answer is letter A, will. I will finish my homework tonight. Teaching tips. Teaching tips. Use actions / gestures. Wake up, wash, sleep. Use actions, gestures, wake up, wash, sleep. Let students repeat sentences. Let students repeat sentences. Mix English plus Filipino if needed for understanding. Mix English plus Filipino if needed for understanding. Keep it fun and interactive. Keep it fun and interactive. So, this video ends here about Maria's busy day at home, a story-based lesson with a target modal verbs can, should, must, and will. Thanks for watching. Bye!